So how can you identify upwelling events in the ocean? And it's relatively easy in the warm water regions of the oceans, like in tropical, subtropical, and temperate regions, because upwelling induces cold water at the surface, sea surface. You can identify upwelling regions by negative sea surface temperature anomalies, cold water at the surface. And here's one example. Okay, sea surface anomalies for the Peru-Chile upwelling system. Okay, and you can see this surface distribution. This one is actually derived from ship measurements, but anyway. Okay, so the dots are all the measurements by here, the individual measurements, and these are constructed contours. Anyway, you can see regions where the surface water is colder. Okay, here's one region. You cut through one here in the south, cut one in the north, and these are so-called upwelling centers. They are a localized region where the upwelling is concentrated. So these are the zones when you look at the sea surface temperature map, and you can infer elevated nutrient concentrations, which are linked to the upwelling of cold water. And this is one method used to identify upwelling. Indeed, you can also identify upwelling events from ocean color images. Okay, ocean color is a satellite proxy of the concentration of chlorophyll A, the green pigment of phytoplankton in surface waters. You can create maps like this. This is an example of a plankton bloom in the Benguela current upwelling system. Okay, and red means high concentration, green means low concentration. You can identify many interesting features. You can see that you have an upwelling center again, which is where the red color is, but you can also identify ocean eddies in smaller features which we call filaments. Okay, for example, this is an eddy, and what this eddy actually does, it actually picks up some of the red high levels of phytoplankton and moves it in a filament offshore. You can see this. So by doing that, you can actually support the marine food chain in much larger areas, so areas that exceed the region of the upwelling center. Okay, so that's what eddies do. Eddies actually create large areas of enhanced primary production.